Hey guys, I'm Evie, professional makeup artist and beauty lover, and I'm so excited because I just received my February Glam Bag and BoxyCharm, and I'm so excited to see what's in it. Now let's get into it. Alright, so here is the February Glam Bag, and of course, you guys, it has little hearts all over it in pink. I love that I'm kind of matching right now, and the quality, you guys, is kind of amazing. It feels very, very good. I love the little embossed hearts, and look how cute, you guys. A little Ipsy lollipop charm. I am so excited to see what's in here. Let's get into it. Okay, so the first product we have in our Glam Bag is the Benefit Cosmetics BADgal Bounce Volumizing Mascara. Okay, you guys, so I have never heard of this, so this is definitely new. Now let's take a look at the wand. Now, as a professional makeup artist, I love a wand exactly like this. I'm so happy I'm seeing this because this has a beautiful hourglass curved wand, which is gonna be perfect for hugging every single lash. Okay, now let's give it a little test just to see how this feels against the lashes. Ooh, I could feel it just kind of like tugging on every lash, which is perfect. That's what you want from a mascara. Okay, so the next item we have is by MOBEAUTY, and look how adorable this is. Now I'm super excited for this. This is their jelly blush in the shade Chili Crisp, and look, you guys, I've always wanted to try a blush in this formula, but wait, it's not just a blush, this is actually a lip tint as well. Okay, let's give it a swatch because I have to see what this looks like. First of all, this smells like actual candy, and the fact that it's a lip tint means that it's so easy to just throw it in your bag. But let's try it out. So I'm just gonna pick some up with my finger. Ooh, she is pigmented. So we're gonna dab some on the cheeks. That is such a pretty subtle, soft flush of color. And we're just gonna directly apply it on the lips as well. Ooh, okay, you guys, I love this. It feels so lightweight. Honestly, it feels like I have nothing on. Look at the color. It's just such a pretty flush of color on my lips. Okay, now let's hop into the next product. All right, you guys, so the next product we have is by CIELE. This is a really cool sponge, and it does come in its own container. So this is gonna be super convenient for travel and very hygienic. I love the shape of it as well. Definitely great for contouring and foundation. And I don't know about you guys, but I can never have too many sponges. Now let's hop into the next one. Okay, so the next one, I'm so happy with, you guys. This is by Beauty For Real. This is their Hydra-Set Translucent Brightening Powder, and I'm so happy with the shade that I got, you guys, because it kind of has like a little bit of a peachy tone, which is going to be perfect for just kind of boosting under eye color correction. And last but not least, we do have the new Barrier Culture Body Cream. Also, I love the size. You guys, it is winter time right now. It's February, so I always have to have a nice little body cream in my bag because these hands are always getting dry. All right, you guys, so that was everything that I got in my Glam Bag. I'm so excited to use this and travel with some of these. Now let's get into my BoxyCharm. All right, let's open this up. Ooh, I love that I'm seeing some really big brands in here, you guys. Products that I've always wanted to try. All right, so right off the bat, we have something from Rare Beauty. Super exciting. We love Selena around here. So this is their All of the Above Weightless Eyeshadow Stick in the shade Contentment. Now, I love sticks like this, you guys. Super convenient to use. And fun fact, if you didn't know, most jumbo sticks like this do come with a built-in sharpener. All right, now let's give this a little swatch. We're gonna go directly on my lid. Ooh, immediately creamy. I love that. There's pigment, but it definitely feels like it's buildable. I'm gonna go in with my finger to just kind of blend it out. Yeah, this is definitely the type of product that I love. Okay, and here's a little pro tip. Now, if you're ever struggling with putting on your jumbo pencils, or you feel kind of scared to put it directly on your eyes, you can always put it on the back of your hand to kind of warm up the pigment, and then just pick it up with your finger for a more sheer application. Okay, that was so easy to put on, you guys. I'm so excited to throw this in my bag. Okay, so the next item we have is by Tarte, which I love. This is their Amazonian Clay 12-hour blush, okay? So if you are someone who struggles with keeping your blush on all day, I think you're gonna love this. All right, now let's get into it. Love the packaging, first of all. Very travel friendly. You could just throw it into your purse. But I have the shade Glisten, which is like kind of like a blush highlighter. It has like a little bit of like a sheen to it, which is nice because it's like you get 2 in 1. All right, guys, we're gonna give it a little swatch. I just wanna see how this pulls on me. I'm just going in and tapping it on my cheeks. Oh yeah, that's very pretty. It's like a subtle, kind of like peachy coral tone. All right, so the next item we have is by Tarte, which I love. This is their Amazonian Clay 12-hour blush. So I received the shade Glisten, which I love because it is just so good against my skin tone. This is kind of like a corally peach, but something that I love about this formula that I noticed is it kind of has like a sheen to it. So it's kind of like a highlighter and blush in one. All right, let's give this little swatch. Super excited to try this. I love the tone. It's kind of like a corally peach, which I love against my skin tone. Extremely lightweight. It's completely fragrance-free, which I love as a professional makeup artist. You know, working on set, I try to have scent-free products just because you never know whose skin's gonna be sensitive. This one was super delightful. Now let's get into the next one. All right, you guys, so this next one I'm super excited for because I've always wanted to try the brand KULFI. This is their Main Match Concealer. I actually have the shade Rose Rush. So let's give it a little swatch. Now this is a medium coverage concealer, which is perfect because you don't have to commit to full coverage. You can build if you want fuller coverage, or you could just do a nice thin layer if you want it more sheer. Now this is just melting into my skin, you guys. Honestly, this is a perfect match. Might even be a little bit of a brightener for me, but I'm super excited to use this. All right, you guys, let's hop into the next items. And I'm super excited because our last two are actually skincare, and you know, you cannot have a good base without skincare. So the next one we have is the BYROE Kale Hydrating Moisturizer. Okay, so reading the description on this, this is a lightweight gel cream, which is perfect for me. You guys, I have oily skin, so gels are always perfect because they're not gonna sit too thick underneath my makeup. Oh, this smells very amazing, very fresh. All right, so let's do a little swatch. I love it. It's like a little jelly bounce. Now, you guys, key call out for this product. It does increase hydration on the skin by 120% after one use. So if your skin is screaming for hydration, you're gonna need this. Okay, that made my hands super silky and I love the smell. I know my skin is gonna be obsessed with it, and I might just throw this into my professional makeup kit. All right, so the final product we have is by Feel Beauty. This is their AHA and Vitamin C toner. Now, I love a good toner. It's gonna help brighten skin. It's gonna help remove dead skin on the surface, which is gonna get your skin ready in the winter for spring, because we need to have good skin for the best base. Okay, now the size, you guys, this is huge. I feel like this is gonna last way longer than the spring, so that's gonna be a plus. I feel like I'm gonna have this probably for the rest of the year. Now let's give it a little try. Oh my God, that smells so good. Now putting it on my skin, ooh. No burn, which I love. I have sensitive skin, so when it comes to toners, I need to have something that honestly just kind of feels like water. This feels like nothing on the skin. Smells amazing. I think my skin's gonna love this. All right, you guys, so that was everything that I got in my Glam Bag and my BoxyCharm, and I'm so excited and so happy with everything that I received. I feel like I got a little bit of everything. I got some color for fun, I got some great complexion products, and amazing skincare. Let me know your favorite products from this month in the comments below, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.